Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm the lead technician here at AG Diesel Repair. I work here as a diesel mechanic because I got introduced into the diesel world when I bought my first diesel pickup at age 15. The engine was blown and I had to fix it. So I rebuilt it and started here a little after my 16th birthday, working after school. Worked here for the last 8 years. AG Diesel Repairs would be a great place to work at because of all the lifts. We got plenty of room everywhere in the shop, new tools and equipment. We go to training several times a year with the whole group. We spend lots of time together as a group. We go race go-karts and do company fishing trips and stuff like that. The automotive industry is a great industry to get into because of all the great people you get to work with, the cutting edge technology, and there's lots of mysteries that are fun to dig into and be able to take apart, figure out what's going on with the truck or car. There's lots of different areas you can focus on, and it's very rewarding to fix the truck and send it out the door with a happy customer.